Hello everyone. Okay, this is my website. This is what I've got so far. I will continue doing some other stuff, but okay, so far so good. The idea of my website is to offer teaching and translation services like tutors, right, and translation and interpretation services. Okay, that's the idea, and also to provide like tips for tutors, for teachers, and for translators as well, right? So in this section, I have put a general introduction, okay, and somehow for visitors to realize what language professionals do, okay, in a general sense. Okay, in the tutoring section, the idea is to present the people who work in the project, the tutors, and also, what they do, their level of expertise and all that, and also in translation, the same thing, right? Translation and interpretation services, some statistics, and okay, some tips for, from professional translators and interpreters. Okay, basically I have that so far. And well, here the idea is to also put all the people who work as translators and who collaborate with us. Now, in the portfolio section, I didn't manage to actually make it work every time I tried. It said something like that the DB was not compatible. I don't know why. Okay, and something happened with the blog also. Everything got cluttered, right? If you see here, everything seems fine, but then everything is like cluttered and nothing comes out in the portfolio. I don't know why, you see. Okay, and finally, my contact page. Okay, so I like the results of this one. I really liked it. And also, I have my shop and all the issues. Now, the thing is that I was selling services, so I didn't really know how to sell services. But okay, this is what I did for the services. Okay, so I hope you like it. Well, the most difficult part was to make my site work. It didn't work for a while, but okay, fortunately now it is working. Okay, see you around.